Namaste, the 10th Dada Saheb Phalke Film Festival, the whole team and the organizer. Myself, Dilip, I played a role of Gaurav, the lead role this Manurupa film. Thank you for giving us an opportunity to introduce myself and my team. See, the idea of making this film is my director name is Kiran Hegde. Is basically from a mass communication and journalism student. He was basically a writer. He wanted to make a different genre movie, and he chose this kind of subject with the current, the young generation, whatever they're feeling, existential nihilism. So this is what the lines he wanted to bring it that into the movie, and what the young generation is feeling. See, the parents are working and the kids are feeling loneliness, and they are depending on more on apps, social media and everything. And also there is a dark web. He wanted to show the dark web and the loneliness. He would have taken the backdrop of the city, but to show more effectively, he chose the backdrop of forest. The 80% of the movie completely shoots in forest. Only 20% into in the studio or everything. 80% into the forest, complete the density forest, what we call it as. And if I talk about the characters selected, I think almost all are from a theatre background, including me. So we're all from theatre background. Actors, all actors from a theatre background. And the finance, this is an interesting story I wanted to tell you here. See, my director from last 10 years, as I told you, is basically a PR person. For 10 years, he started saving money because he wanted to make a different genre film, and he was sure that it's very difficult for him to convince the producer. So hence he started saving the money from last 10 years. He saved the money as much, the money, whatever he wanted to make the project. And that's how he's collected the money. And of course, there is some help he took it from his friends. And 80% of the complete fund as director come producer, Mr. Kiran Hegde. That's how we started the organizing the fund. And of course, after that we started shooting in the challenges. It's not. I'm sure it's not a one set of challenges, because when we're shooting, forest, 80% of the film shoots in target, in forest. I'm sure it is a different kind of challenges, because we don't know when the rains comes. So suddenly we need to pack the things and come up, and also there'll be animals and also snakes, and it should be. Though we have already had a first aid team along with us, but still, it's not an easy to shoot film in forest. We need to adjust to the forest style of culture, the working culture, and but somehow, thank God, with the God grace, we were able to complete the without any hassles or without any bad incident. The challenge, yes, of course, we enjoyed the challenge. I can say we have enjoyed the challenge. There were challenges, but we have enjoyed the challenges. So that the movie should come up, and I'm sure all makers will agree. But there are some whatever the script, initial script, the ready maker script, and when we actually went and for a shoot, there is some certain changes which took place. I think I'm also aware of that. That depends on the current their situation and the current situation. We have made some changes. That was there. And USP of this movie is it talks about, as I told you, is existential, and not only existential. There is a love failure guy, and there are this era is a startup era, dunya, whatever we call it as. There is the 5 characters represent each of those. So one is escapism, and second one is breakups. He will not love breakup or whatever, and another one is a startup mindset. You want to do something his own. And another one talks about he, like, for a living together or whatever we call it as a, so that kind of a role he will represent. All five characters will represent different kind of characters in the movie. So other side, whatever existential nihilism, whatever it is, whatever I told, what is existential? How director trying to explain the dark web or whatever we call it as the loneliness, effectively is able to explain with the help of, with the background, showing the background help of the zoom. That's what that's why he has come with the more effectively. That's what I can say. So why should audience it watch it? One, it's a completely, you feel like watching like an Hollywood movie, because 80% shoots in jungle, and the kind of photography and the music, I'm sure audience will enjoy it. And subject is a different. It's not a different normal movie, the commercial movie. You have songs and you have fights. No, it talks about loneliness. It talks about startup. It talks about, it represent, the character represent startup. Its character represent one of those characters represent escapism. There's a character represents some relationships, breakups. So all those things is built in very within whatever 2 hours or whatever, within that period is able to bring it in a very nice way, so that audience can enjoy and relate into their probably kids or themselves or whatever. That's what I can say. That's it. And also I wish, and I'm happy that part of 10th Dada Saheb Film Festival, and all the best. And thanks once again for giving us an opportunity to represent ourselves. Thank you.